video. My name is Zaid. With me are my colleagues Mohammed, Mustafa, Wyatt, and Jesse. And today we want to talk to you about the ARC project, essentially what it is and how the company existed. ARC is essentially a endoscope reprocessing company. It manufactures the products that allows the reprocessing to occur, and it's like next generation, and we'll go into depth on the product. And if you want to know exactly more detail about the products and quotes or whatnot, you can go to the website down below right here, arc_scs.com, to learn a little bit more and get yourself a quote. So I was going to give you a little breakdown of how the presentation is going to go. First, I'm going to start talking about the overview of the project and what the company is and how it began. Then I'll pass it over to Mohammed to talk about the stakeholders and the initiations, as well as the scope overview. Then I'll give it back, and then Mustafa will take over about the quality management, as well as the communication in management as well. Then finally, Jesse will close it off with the risk management and what went well, and general summary of what we just talked about. Now, the project overview. Now, I just want to give you a little bit of a background of how this company came to fruition. It began as a stainless steel company. It was creating cabinets, custom cabinets, high quality cabinets for different customers. Unfortunately, that wasn't working out too well. It was losing money, and they thought they would go and maybe find a new market they could tap in and produce more and get them out of the situation that they are right now. So they had a business meeting in Dublin with a potential customer, and pitched them their product lines and whatnot. The customer was not too enthusiastic, but he knew a person that would be interested in such products. So they referred him to such person, and they went over the product, and they were interested in the sink for their endoscope reprocessing, which was kind of interesting for the management team. So they looked into it, and they found that there was actual a business opportunity with their current product lines to change it and to move over to the healthcare industry, because there has been numerous lawsuits for malpractice, as well as infections occurring to lack of improper reprocessing for the endoscopes used in the healthcare industry. So they thought maybe maybe shifting towards a new market would help the company and make more money in that regards. So to go generally what the project is and what we're going to talk about right now is how the shifting from the just general stainless steel company into into the medical field and producing the products that we're going to discuss a little further. So in the next slide, you can see that these are the three products that they have created. You have the sink, you have the endoscope reprocessing, then you have the drying cabinet where they are held there. For every single product you can see right here had their own project lead, as well as there has been a project lead for the finances, they had a project for sales and marketing. Also there's a project lead for the ISO and the regulations, which are very important, and we will discuss further on in the presentation. A little statement of work. The project took about 2 years, started from 2011. Almost all the R&D was, actually all the R&D was paid off through tax breaks by the government, which is something else that will be discussed further in the presentation. So now I'm going to leave it over to Mohammed to discuss a little more about the aspects that I talked about the stakeholders and initiations. Thank you.